In the quiet of the morning, nature whispers secrets of a life well lived, a life in harmony with the earth. Today, we embark on a journey, a day in the life of living green, living plant-based. It begins with intention, with the choice to nourish not just our bodies, but our planet. This is Living Green, a day in my plant-based life. Our story doesn't start in the kitchen, nor does it begin at the break of dawn. It starts with a decision, a commitment to healing, to living a life that's kinder to our bodies and the environment. As the sun stretches its arms, so do we, greeting the day with gratitude and a mindful practice that aligns our breath with the rhythm of the earth. Breakfast is not just a meal, it's a moment to fuel our essence with the vitality of plants. A green smoothie, kale, spinach, banana, and a touch of ginger. Each sip is packed with wellness, a blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. We step out, and we step into the community. Our local farmers market is a treasure trove of organic bounty. Here, every choice is a vote for sustainability, every purchase a direct support to the farmers who steward the land. Lunch is a canvas of colors, a salad rich with vibrant veggies, each color representing a different nutrient, a different flavor, a different smile from Mother Nature. As the day unfolds, so does our understanding. Living green is more than a diet, it's a relationship with food, a dialogue with nature. Dinner is a time for warmth, for sharing. A stir-fry sizzles in the pan, quinoa, broccoli, bell peppers, and tofu, seasoned with herbs and spices that dance on the tongue. As twilight beckons, we reflect. We write down the day's experiences, the flavors, the lessons learned. In this journal, we document our journey, our evolution with every plant-based day. The stars appear, and we rest, knowing that our choices have contributed to a larger purpose. This is Living Green. This is healing. This is our plant-based life. Tomorrow is another day, another opportunity to choose life, to choose green. Will you join us? For recipes, tips, and more on living a plant-based life, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our journey to wellness and sustainability.